Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another episode of Tap Lab, and today we're on the Robinhood app, and I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode. So Robinhood is an investing app. You can invest in cryptocurrencies and stocks. I'm going to start to learn about it, start to test it out, so subscribe if you're interested in that. I made my first deposit, but it takes like 5 days to deposit the money, which is kind of stupid, but guess we gotta wait. In the meantime, I was checking things out, and I'm going to show you how to get dark mode. So you can come here to the profile tab in the bottom right, and then you want to go to settings, and under preferences on the bottom, you can tap on theme. And then this is going to give you different appearances. So you have market hours. So I think after hours it would go to dark mode, which is like 5 p.m. or whenever the market closes, it's going to switch to dark mode. And they have permanent light mode, which is what I'm on right now. And you can select dark mode. So you have those three options. I'm going to leave it on dark mode right now. We'll go back and sort of see what it looks like. So here's what everything looks like in dark mode. Pretty much same thing, just a darker color scheme, easier on the eyes, so I'll probably just keep it on that. And there you have it, how to switch the Robinhood mobile app to the dark mode. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.